Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Stop freezing. You need instant, reliable heat that travels with you, and today we found the answer. Welcome to our definitive Top 5 Propane Heater review. We're ranking the best portable heater options, from patio powerhouses to the ultimate indoor safe unit. We'll show you the power, the efficiency, and the essential safety features. Which gas space heater is actually approved for your tent? We reveal the number 1 indoor propane heater champion at the end. Let's ignite this countdown. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 5. Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. Kicking off our list at number 5, we find the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater, which excels where style meets convenience. If you are hosting a small, intimate deck party heater gathering, this is your solution. Delivering a comfortable 11,000 BTUs, this Cuisinart patio heater is designed for the tabletop, efficiently warming up to 30 square feet. It's incredibly light and operates off a small 1-pound propane tank, making it a perfect grab-and-go unit. Its anti-tilt safety switch and burner screen guard ensure peace of mind. But remember, this stylish unit is designated for outdoor use only. For those prioritizing a compact, attractive, and reliable outdoor propane heater for a small area, the Cuisinart is a solid entry-level choice. Number 4. Mr. Heater 45,000 BTU 540-degree Tank Top Heater. Moving into spot number 4, we have a beast designed for the biggest jobs. The Mr. Heater 45,000 BTU Tank Top Heater. This heater is all about raw, multi-directional power. Mount this directly onto your 20 pounds tank, and you unleash up to a staggering 45,000 BTU outdoor heater output, perfect for rapidly heating a large garage workshop heater or a busy tailgating event. The genius lies in its simplicity and mobility. With 3 adjustable heat settings and the ability to swivel 540 degrees, you direct that phenomenal radiant heat exactly where it's needed. The inclusion of a tip-over safety shutoff switch is essential, although, given the massive heat output and design, this powerful unit is strictly outdoor propane heater territory. Number 3. Jokevel Propane Heater, 6,000 to 18,000 BTU. Our third contender brings maximum versatility to the table. The Jokevel Cabinet Propane Heater. What makes this unit unique is its ability to seamlessly integrate a full propane tank while remaining completely mobile. With 5 durable locking casters, this cabinet propane heater is a true cordless propane heater, easily moving across a patio or shop floor. It offers impressive adjustability with 3 heat modes ranging from 6,000 to 18,000 BTU, covering areas up to 450 square feet equipped with both ODS, oxygen depletion sensor, and tip-over protection. This versatile gas space heater provides flexible, powerful warmth for your outdoor area heater needs. Hit like if you're staying warm, and subscribe for more top winter gadgets and outdoor gear reviews. Number 2. Thermomate PHF 18B Propane Heater. Just missing the top spot is the Thermomate PHF 18B, our pick for the best propane heater for the dedicated hobbyist or professional who values a focused, comfortable environment. This LP gas heater mirrors the size and power of the Jokevel, pushing up to 18,000 BTUs and heating 450 square feet. However, its standout feature is its quiet operation, maintaining a noise level of no more than 32 dB. This means you can run this powerful portable shop heater all day without distraction. Furthermore, it boasts incredible efficiency, operating for up to 69 hours on the low setting, making it an excellent energy-efficient propane heater option for those long winter projects. Number 1. Mr. Heater Buddy Series, the ultimate indoor safe champion. And now, for the undisputed champion, the series that defines the best portable heater category, the Mr. Heater Buddy line. This is the gold standard for anyone needing a truly indoor safe propane heater, offering 2 fantastic models that are designed and approved for indoor and outdoor use. First, let's talk about the 3,800 BTU Little Buddy Heater, model F215100. This is the ultimate personal propane heater. It heats up to 95 square feet, making it absolutely perfect for small spaces like a golf cart, a ground blind, or a tiny ice fishing heater. It's rugged, lightweight, 5.6 pounds, and carries that essential ODS and tip-over safety. But taking the crown as the overall best is the original 9000 BTU portable buddy heater, model F232000. Why? It strikes the perfect balance. It's still a trusted small portable heater but offers two settings, 4000 or 9000 BTU heater, and broader coverage up to 225 square feet, big enough for a decent-sized camping tent heater or an RV. Both models' life safety systems are unmatched, but the Portable Buddy is the superior choice for versatility, power, and safety in this top 5 propane heater review. When choosing your ultimate radiant heater, the decision boils down to your primary use: sheer brute force or safe, dependable portability. But for the vast majority of users needing an agile, truly portable heater they can trust in a tent, shanty, or emergency, the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy remains the gold standard. We've placed direct links for all these powerful options in the description below, so you can check their current prices and full specifications. And speaking of staying warm, if you prefer the convenience of an electric option, click right here to watch our full review of the top electric portable heaters. If this top 5 propane heater review helped you make that crucial decision, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss our next exciting review video.